Hey, sorry for letting some tickets. I do. So let Tony put his station on first. And make sure you don't go to the right where those rocks are. Go ahead, Tony, put a little more. Put some pull in it, Bobby. Bobby, left. Come on, Bobby, left. Come on, Bobby. Come on, Bobby. Sorry, Tony, we're doing it.
It's almost there. It's on. It's going. It's going. It's going. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, keep her, Bobby, and we'll get over here in some shallow water. Apparently that one pontoon was hell water in it. Roger that. Tony, if you could, go ahead and release your ropes and we'll let them trail.
Yeah.
Tell you what, Tony, looks like it's going to set up right now. Go ahead and go over down here. Looking good, fella.
That was awesome. Totally awesome.
I am sitting idle. Good still.
They got her up.
Looking good, Bobby. About a 0 over to the left, Bobby, on the south side of the channel. Roger that.
Good job.